What's going on, all you fine people? It's Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa. Got another product review for everybody today. 3D Super Soap. I haven't seen, other than videos from 3D themselves, I haven't seen really anything about this soap. A lot of people that I'm familiar with online that are professionals really like this soap because it's so concentrated. Now look at this. Makes 5 gallons of concentrate. So this, what is it, 64 ounce little pail is equivalent to a 5-gallon drum of concentrated soap, not ready to use soap, concentrated soap. So we'll look at the directions, if I can get that on there. So it says dilute 1800 to 1 in automatic applications. I'm not going to read it all. But basically this is what I'm looking for. Half ounce in 5 gallons of water, which I like to do. I'm probably going to do, we're going to do a 1/4 ounce in the foam cannon, and then I'll show you a half ounce in 5 gallons of water. I have used this before in my wash buckets. I have not used it in the foam cannon yet. So my foam cannon's filled to roughly 500 milliliters. So we'll do a 1/4 ounce in there. And then the buckets are just about full. We'll use this as the wash bucket. And I'll let you guys see how effective this stuff is. Now this is different from the Super Pre-Soak because this is a pH neutral soap. This is just a straight soap. So if you're looking for something that's great for your value, just for washing cars, coated cars, non-coated cars, whatever, this will do it. It won't strip waxes, it won't strip sealants, it won't do anything bad or harmful. So I'm gonna tape off part of the hood just so we can see how effective its cleaning ability is. I'm not expecting anything amazing, but we're gonna see how it foams as well. So let me do that and then we'll get to it. Alright, so we got the hood taped off. I'll come show you up close so you can see how it looks. This car is pretty dirty. I don't know how well you can see all the dust accumulated on there. It's pretty dirty. It's a beater, so I'm not too worried about the condition of the paint. But we're going to foam this half just so you can see how the foam looks and how it works. We're going to just rinse this half and we'll draw our conclusions from there. So first what we need to do is put some soap in our foam cannon. So again, foam cannon's halfway full. We'll do a 1/4 ounce of soap. That is such a small amount, I know. So I got these little 1 ounce containers. 1/4 ounce mark is right here. This little 2 mark, 1/4 ounce. So don't want to do too much. There we go. Got a 1/4 ounce. Again, I mean, some of it's gonna not go in there, but the stuff is ridiculously concentrated. So with the amount that's sticking in here, a little under a 1/4 ounce, whatever. Look at that cool fluorescent color, just because stuff that's super concentrated usually give that effect on. MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. Again, I've got a video review on this. Mix it around. Okay, let's take you over to the car. Alright, now I am going to pre-rinse it off. I always pre-rinse before I start washing and foaming. I feel it removes more dirt. Not everyone does it that way. Do it however you want. Alright, pre-rinsed. Now we will test out the foam. Make sure this is set right. All the way to max. Let's see how it does. That's not bad. That's just a 1/4 ounce of soap in a foam cannon. It's further diluted with the pressure washer. So you can adjust accordingly. If you want more foam, you can add more soap into it. But I mean, personally, I think that's plenty. So I'll let that dwell for a few minutes. I'll rinse it off, and we'll see how it does. I'm gonna pause this while this dwells. Actually, you know what? While this dwells, we can actually get our soap bucket ready. So we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce this time. There's a 1/2 ounce mark. Normally, I just do a couple squirts in the bucket, but try and do just for science's sake, get it ready. So there's about a 1/2 ounce in there. Excuse me. Oh, I didn't spill the soap. What's up, little dog? Alright, so we will add that into the foam cannon. And look, it doesn't turn into thick ribbons or anything, it just dissolves right away. That's pretty good. Connect the wand back to the foam or the pressure washer. Put this down a little bit so we can see what I'm doing. And you can see how it foams up. That's all you need. That's plenty. Look at that. All right. Just sit back up. All right, I think it's dwelled on the car for long enough, so we'll rinse it off and see how it looks. Not bad. Obviously you gotta let it dry. So. Okay, so let me connect my my dryer, my blower, whatever, and we'll dry it off. Alright, got the blower right here. Dry it off, see how it looks. Let's come in close. Alright, so that is there, did that little finger swipe right there. And over here, did it right about here. Hard to tell, but pull the tape off, we can see how the dirt looks under the tape. really see a good comparison. Alright, so the water kind of outline is where the tape was. There we go, now it's focused. So you can see, I know it's hard to tell because it's a light color. It did a decent enough job. I mean, it's not as good as the pre-soak, it's not as good as Bill Hamber Auto Foam, but and normally for a car this dirty, you would want to use something stronger. That 3D Super Soak, or Super Soap, excuse me, is just a maintenance soap. So, but it still has cleaning ability. So we're gonna contact wash the hood now, and just so you can see how sudsy and clean it looks. So let me go ahead and get this back on the tripod, and we'll do that. All right, now this is a microfiber mop I like to use. It's a chenille microfiber mitt on a pole, essentially. It's nice and soft, so it won't scratch the paint. I like to use this in the winter to keep my hands warm, as well as regularly on trucks and SUVs, so I can get that reach. That's how long it is. You can see they have longer ones too. I got this on Amazon. Just search for microfiber mop or car wash mop, and these will usually come up. So let's go ahead and get this all soapy, and we will wash. There it is, all soap on it. Nice and sudsy. Nothing crazy. But you got plenty of lubrication. I like to say lubrication, not lubricity. That's what everyone else seems to like to say. Lubrication sounds cooler to me. You can say whatever word you want. And we'll wash the window too. And get that reach. And you want to go underneath here. Put that in a rinse bucket. And last but not least, we will rinse it off, show you how free it rinses. Doesn't leave any residue. Okay, and as you can see, the protection on this car is on its way out. But I'm pretty sure we're going to trade this in the coming months. Get another piece of crap beater and do some projects on that. But yeah, that's 3D Super Soap. We'll take it back over, and yeah, just let me know what your thoughts are on it. I think it's a great value. I think you can get it for about $35. I'll have to post a link below. I'll post a link below to probably Autopia. That's where I bought it from, and that way if you want to buy it you can. This stuff's pretty good. I'm very happy with it. I used to use Meguiar's Gold Class all the time, but that gets pricey after buying it a lot because it's not as concentrated. This stuff works pretty good. It does have a slight scent to it. It's nothing overpowering. I know some people like scents. I know some people really don't like scents, and the people that do like scents usually don't care if there's no scent. But the people that don't like a scent do care if there is a scent. So this is definitely good for that. But if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're still working on growing the channel, trying to hit 1,000 subscribers so we can get things monetized, get things really rolling. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video.